I'm Jared Ashley, Gabriel, Blackbelt. Those guys have hooked us up. First agent came out, AC guy, total disaster. Guy wasn't going to get done what we needed to get done. Gabriel came and basically saved our life. Our house is blowing cold, freezing cold. I don't even need a refrigerator anymore. I can put stuff out on the counter, no joke, and it'll stay cool. First class guy went overboard to help us out. We were hit by an indirect lightning strike, and these guys got in here, got all of our electrical taken care of, got all of our AC work taken care of, and even recommended some people to take care of us later on down the road on some other issues we were having due to the lightning. If you need somebody that's turnkey all the way A to Z, Gabriel's the guy to call. Thank you.